Do you have leaking pipes underground? Having trouble locating the leak? Are you confused due to significant increase in the water consumption and cannot locate the leak? Do you have underground pipes needing repair, but excavation and repiping sound like more of a problem than a solution? You're not alone. Leaking pipes are everywhere, but by the time we notice it, it's often too late. Leaking pipes are the biggest reason for water overconsumption and inflated utility bills. A leaking pipe can double the water utility bill, threaten existing setup, disrupt normal daily operations, and even stop a business. So what can be done? Trenchless pipelining from Applied Pipeline Services is your best solution. Wait, trenchless what? Trenchless pipelining is the introduction of certified and approved material inside the leaking pipe through a remote access point with the use of robotics, installing the liner and curing it within a couple of hours, and the system can resume service instantly without any eruption to daily operation of the facility. No digging, no hassle. But is it expensive? Compared to conventional methods, it's not. Excavation and replacement cost more, interrupt your business for weeks or months, and cause a huge impact on the environment. What about the performance? The approved and tested material used by Applied increases the lifespan of the pipe, enhances the overall flow, and eliminates any contamination of the fluid. Plus, all liners have an international manufacturer material warranty for 50 years. At Applied, we line pipes with limited to no interruption of normal operations. Applied Pipeline Services is a UAE-based trenchless pipe rehabilitation services company with offices in Dubai and Abu Dhabi and a long experience in trenchless or no-dig pipe rehabilitation. Applied is the market leader in municipal, oil and gas, residential, and commercial trenchless pipelining and rehabilitation of pressurized pipe in the GCC. We're the experts in trenchless pipelining techniques for various pipe sizes and mediums. Our pipelining products are tested and proven to comply with the international water, sewage, and other material pipelining standards, like ASTM F121609, ASTM F259920, ASTM F299418, and ASTM WK60068. Application: municipal high-pressure water pipes, gas pipes, oil pipes, municipal drainage pipes, municipal sewer pipes, municipal rainwater pipes, municipal lateral connections, district cooling pipes, fire suppression pipes, and much, much more. Are you risking a power plant shutdown due to marine growth or sludge accumulation in your oil tanks? Applied Pipeline Services lately has introduced a new technology to its fleet: remote robotic cleaning for the easy access and cleaning of hazardous material in safe and advanced methods. Rather than risking human life and jeopardizing staff safety, Applied has put together a fleet of robots that are capable to take on any underwater or dangerous cleaning task with interruption of normal operation.